family, welcome to Cooking with Abba. Today I'm going to be making healthy salad. Simple for your guest, simple for yourself. Learn to treat yourself well in this year. In this year, spoil yourself small. I'm going to teach you how I make this simple salad. You can actually try it out as well. Yes, this is a very colorful, beautiful salad. I really want you to have a try. So I'm using tomatoes in there. Any type of tomatoes you have is okay. And I'm going to use carrot and some paprika and some lettuce. Those are all going to go in there. So I'm just doing salt bath. So I wash the tomatoes first and foremost, and the salt alone would clean it from dirt, bacteria, and all those things. For the paprika, I'm cutting it. I realize it's easy when you're cutting it around where the natural curves are. Then I'm taking out the seeds in there. I don't need the seeds of it in. This is very nice because it gives a color and it's also soft and it's also sweet. Yes, this is different from bell pepper. Yes, the green bell pepper we usually have in Ghana. Those ones are a bit more crunchy. Yes, but over here you get more of these, which are sweeter and softer. Yes, but you can use any of them. I love bell peppers, like the green bell peppers, just that over here, these are more available and even more affordable, funny enough, than those ones. But in Ghana, these are more expensive than those ones. So that's the thing. Just go with anything that's available. But most important thing is that you're adding variety when it comes to the colors, the textures in there. So I have carrot and I love to have fresh onions in there. You can also use spring onions in as well. They also work. Yeah. So I'm just taking I see the skin or the husk or the shell of the onion. So yes, I'm going to wash those as well. Once you prep them, you're done. As for vegetables, I think the annoying part or what people don't like about it is the cleaning part. But once you're able to clean your vegetables, you're actually good to go. All you're done with is the chopping. I like this iceberg lettuce. Yes, that's how it's lettuce, but they form in the form of icebergs. They have different types of lettuce. Anyone that you want to work with. If you want to go with cabbage too, is your preference, but I like to pick them one by one. If the skin is bad or if it looks funny, please take it off. I beg you. Don't just eat anything for eating sake. I beg you. Yes, you've used your money to buy, but please make sure you're taking just the good part in for yourself. It matters. Treat yourself well. In 2025 or in this year, I want you to really be more conscious of what you're eating and treat yourself very well, please. You work hard. So make sure your health is a priority for you. So I'm just sprinkling out the water, excess water from it as well to drain it all, which is very good. So it doesn't get yes funny in there early. So at this point, all I'm going to be doing is what chopping. I'm just going to cut them into my pan and I'm very much good to go. So I'm just chopping them up. You can use your hand to tear it if you want to, but I realize chopping it is always like the quicker, easier way to go. If it's for commercial cooking, you can do your cloves and all those things. This is my own home eating. I'm going to be eating, so please. Yes, yes, yes. The most important thing is you're washing your hands and stuff. Yeah, sometimes people give them that vibe that, yeah, why not wearing gloves? But there's no commercial cooking first and foremost. And if you're in your own kitchen, cooking for yourself, cooking for your family, sometimes you're not ready for all those ones. So just wash your hands properly in between your cooking as well. So I'm just spreading this out and then I'm going in with my carrot. For the carrots, I like to have them slender, but I like to have them chewy a bit. I don't like them too small. I want them to be visible, but I also don't want them to be like big, big, big chunky in there. So when you cut it this way, you're able to get it kind of elongated, but it's still what slender, kind of chewy, but it's still visible, but not overly. Yes. Then for the paprika or bell pepper, whichever one you want to use, you can also cut those out as well. Cut them into those slices like we did with the carrot or any shape. If you want to take the cube, however you want to cut it, like just cut. It is your salad. It is your salad, so feel free to cut it however you choose. It's okay with you. So you realize I did orange, I did yellow, I did red. Those gives it color. For salad, it's about colors, it's about textures, It's about flavor notes. So some are very pungent, some are not. Yes. This cherry tomatoes, I'm just going to cut them into two. Yes, you can leave them with the seeds in. They're also very much healthy. So those goes into my salad bowl. Usually I like the tomatoes in the middle there. And yes, the colors, you're just going to be assembling it all merry-go-round, merry-go-round, merry-go-round in there. So this is very simple. Very, very simple. Very simple, very healthy. And this is something you can do at home. You can replicate at home. So let me know if you're going to try it out. Yes, and when you do, make sure you tag me along. So this is my very simple salad, like very, very simple. And then to top it off, I'm just putting the onion, which I kind of opened up and flaked up, and then until it goes more tomatoes to give it that visualizer kind of look. So yes, this is me doing some graphics on my food arts. Yes, but if you like your salad a bit more with cream or more mixed up, usually they have salad creams. You can use mustard and all those ones. I like this Finnish homemade salad cream. It has mustard and things in it. So nice. I don't know how they do it, but I really like it. And I like to add a bit of black and white pepper crushed into it, which also adds a bit of a flavor profile to it. And once I'm done, I actually clean my bowl and I'm good to go. I should have actually mixed this in a mixing bowl and then poured it in there. But Charlie, like I said, I was doing it for myself at home, and then I added a bit of pear, avocado pear in there as well. But it depends on how you want to have it. It depends on how you want. If you have your guests, please go the first style I taught you. If you're having some guests over, do the style in there and then let them enjoy your artistic salad. Very simple, very easy, very healthy to do. And like I keep saying, please prioritize yourself in this year. Eat well, eat well, eat well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Oh. Till I see you in that next food video, please. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.